Here's the graph of j of x. Now we want to go 4 units to the left and 5 units down. So if I'm looking at this graph, it looks like this point, and this point seem really important for this graph. It hits the end, so we can add arrowheads if we want. And if I take those points and I move 4 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 down, that point is going to end there. I'm going to do that same thing with this one, 4 to the left, 5 down. That'll be there. 4 to the left, 5 down. Then I'll draw as best of my ability. Put arrowheads on the end of this. This will be the graph. Second sentence here has this thing again in terms of the function j. So I want to write the equation of this blue graph in terms of the function j. Well, I move 4 to the left. That would be inside the function. And x's are liars, so it would be an x plus 4. And I move 5 down. That would be outside of the function. And minus 5. Now, when you do your homework, you might write it like this, and the textbook might write it like this. You know that those, can you see that those are the same things? They put the 5 on the other side, okay? For me personally, I like the y by itself, and the 5 over there, but sometimes you'll see it with the 5 on the other side, okay? All right, read it again. We've done sketch. We've written the equation in terms of j. Now, the domain and range of, and this too, like this is where, oh, it's a little bit frustrating. If you don't read that word, you might lose a half mark because it says each function. So I've got to do the blue one, and I've got to do the red one. It's kind of annoying. So domain of the blue one. Domain is my x values. Every single x value is okay. So I can write every single x in. My range, do I have a smallest y value? Yes. The smallest y value is -5. Do I have the biggest y value? No, because these arrows go up forever. So I can write this, just the y values have to be bigger than or equal to -5. For my original graph, which was in red, its domain also is everything, but its range was the y values bigger than or equal to 0. I'll do both. This is interval notation for this one. So when it goes up forever in interval notation, you would write an infinity sign. So I finished the question. What I just did, which you didn't even notice, because I can read silently. It's like impressive, I know. I read the question again, but you guys didn't notice. But it's just, again, really good practice. I checked. Did I answer everything? You could be like, really, he's going to go home and say, my math teacher even knows how to read in his head. Okay, so questions for this one. So you can write above 8, 9, and 10, and then go to the homework and actually circle 8, 9, and 10.